Okay, here's the gorilla hooks. We're ready to make the climb all the way to 100 feet. I'm up here in the Catskill Mountains. I'm about 180 miles north of New York City, and I'm about to make a climb on a radio tower. I have to do an inspection. The tower's right here. It's 100 feet. I got to go to the top, make sure everything's good, check out the rotor, make sure all the tape is good. I do this periodically through the winters. I'm here at the QTH here in Summit, New York. This is the house. And this is the shack in this building right here. And here we have two other towers. And then we have a fourth tower here. So get ready. Let's make the climb together to the top. Let's roll. And the wind is whipping. I can hear it at the top. Let's roll. Okay. Gorilla hook. And gorilla hook. Check out that view. That's the 5/5/5 on 15, and that's the 6/6 on 20 with the 3-element 40. Okay, I'm at the second set of guys. I'm now at 50 feet, 60 feet, I'm sorry. All right, that's where we go. Okay, I'm getting to the top here. The wind is whipping pretty good, but we're used to it. When you build stations on the coast of Maine, you learn to adapt to the wind, and it's exactly what I have learned. But I want to give you a view of this beast up here. This is the GXP 16-3 as I maneuver above the top guy wire here. Okay. Okay. This is looking down the boom of the GXP 16-3. Okay? The beast looking down the boom. Above me is the GXP 7-element 6-meter. And this is looking down. Let me look down, and that's looking towards the house. And I'll try to get the other towers in view. Out there in the distance is the 6/6, and over here is the 5/5 stack as the tower sways here. So, I mean, this is the view from up here. It's pretty crazy, isn't it? So I'm gonna be up here. I gotta tighten down things. I'm not gonna be able to do that because I can only do a couple things at a time here, but I'm gonna tighten up the U-bolts and make sure everything is good here. Check this out. While I'm up here, there's the drone. Let me zoom into it. Right there. Is that amazing? So you just made the climb with me, and I'm up here at 100 feet, and we got a visual on the drone. So this is the cool stuff that we do to get you this footage. I'm up here. It's pretty windy. Check this out. Check this view out. Isn't this amazing? And the wind is blowing about 20 to 30 up here. And behind me is the drone. And we'll cut over to the drone right now. And just like that, we're now on the DJI Mini 4. And it's flying over the top of me. Look at this. Is this incredible? Getting this footage in ham radio. Seeing the GXP 16-3 with the 7-element 6-meter above me. And you're probably wondering, why did I make this climb? Well, I got to periodically make maintenance repairs. And on this trip up this tower, I tightened up the U-bolts to both antennas. And as you've seen on the climb up, I had some loose tape. So I took some 3M tape out and taped down the legs and secured all the feed lines coming off the tower. But look at this view. Is this incredible? This is 2,300 feet above sea level. QTH is in Schoharie County in the Catskill Mountain Summit, New York. And now we're going to come over to a few photos here. This is me at the top of the tower. At the same time, I took the video with the GoPro and the DJI 4. And here's this picture just tells it all. Look at this view. If you enjoyed this presentation, please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, check these out.